going on, y'all? Today we are working on the E46, aka the E46 drift car. So I've been having kind of an issue with it when I turn it on, and even if it's warm, if I hit the gas right away, it'll just kind of bog out, and sometimes it'll just shut off completely. Now I talked to a few people. They think it's a vacuum leak, so thank you to the homie Kusai. He let me borrow his smoke machine, which I'm gonna check for vacuum leaks. So what I'm gonna do right now is pull the air filter off, connect the smoke machine to it, smoke it up, and try to figure out where the leak is coming from. So let's get to it. Filters off. Wow. Okay. Smoke machine. We've got power lines for it. This is going to connect to the battery. Okay. The funnel for here. Ooh, I need to pull out my map. Silly goober. Map is out. I should slide into here. Okay, and then the other hose line. This is going to connect. This should connect from. Mind you, this is my first time using the smoke machine. This goes here, but oh yeah, I pull this thing off. And we're gonna shove this through here. Connect it. I don't know if you can see that, but it is smoking already. We're gonna shove it in the hose. I think this pipe might be a little bit too big, or this funnel. So we'll try a smaller one. No, that's way too small. Okay. I'm just gonna try to get it in there a little bit harder. Alright, so the only leak I'm currently seeing is coming from right here. What is this? It's for the brake booster. Okay, so it's coming straight out from right there. So let's see. This a little bit. I think that's the only thing that's right there. It's just this brake booster line. I wonder if it's cracked. I'm sure you guys can see that the smoke is coming out from right there. Now, what I'm wondering is this vacuum leak big enough to cause the issue that I'm having, which is, you know, the whole logging situation. I did already try to pull out the math and try it just to see if it was maybe a bad math. One of my friends told me that it's probably because I took the IACV out, the idle air control valve. So I might have to reconnect that and then have it retuned. For now, let's take off that hose, the breaker, the brake booster hose, and see if there's anything else that we can see. Maybe the fitting is broken. Maybe the hose isn't sealing correctly. Go ahead and check that out. So what I'm gonna do now is actually reconnect the smoke machine. And then I'm gonna plug the hole with my finger and see if it's coming out of anywhere else. If it's not, then I know it's just the hose. Okay, so it's looking like it's just the hose. Now I'm gonna have my brother come really quick and look at it with me, just to make sure that there's nothing that I'm not seeing. Actually, I'll have my dad help me. Hey, Dad. Yeah. You want to help? I need you to tell me if the smoke is coming out from anywhere other than this hole right here. So I'm going to plug this with my finger, and then we just need to watch to see if there's smoke coming out from anywhere else. Put this. Try not to breathe that in. Okay, so right now you'll see how smoke is coming out from right there. Yeah, I'm gonna plug it. Can you see smoke coming out from anywhere else?
Nothing on this side. Nothing on this side. Yeah, I should have. This is from here where you plug it.
Yeah.
On that side, it shouldn't be any.
No, on that side, nothing. Just
okay.
From this intake side. Oh, you see that? Where's that coming from? It's coming from in here. Yeah, it is. It's coming out from this hole right here. Or maybe this one, but it's something underneath here. So what I'm going to do is grab my phone, turn the flash on.
Let me get my phone.
Yeah. One moment.
And the flashlight.
Well, no, I'm going to... Alright, so I basically put the brake booster hose back on, put the filter back on and the MAF. So what I'm going to do now... Oh, and I tightened that hose all the way. So what I'm going to do now is turn it on, see if it's still having the same issue. Okay, so it's not a vacuum leak. I took this stuff off really quick to check the injectors, and all the injectors seem to be fine. I don't see any gas leaking anywhere. I should probably check to see that all the injectors are actually firing. I'm afraid that could be one of the issues. I'm also afraid that it could just be the throttle body. I don't think it's the throttle body, but that smoke is coming from my O2 sensor touching the headers. But yeah, I'm wondering if it's just the IACV, because most people who do the M50 intake manifold swap, they continue running the IACV, which is this piece right here. So I'm wondering if I'm just gonna have to buy the kit for this and then have RevMatch retune it to run this. But that's a problem for another day. For now, I'm going to do some more research, try to send it to some BMW people and see what they tell me. For sure no vacuum leaks though. Yeah, I don't know what else it could be. If you guys liked today's video, at least you learned how to use a vacuum smoke machine. I know it wasn't that interesting, but hey, if it helps somebody, then I'm happy. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers already. See you guys on the next one. Deuces.